Hi everyone, a very good morning to all of you. Welcome to another session of Leverage TV. I'm Sahil Goyal, one of the experts at Leverage Edu. Today we'll be discussing about one of the very interesting topic. That is, if you want to study mechanical engineering abroad or not. A lot of people are confused about which course they should be choosing for their higher education. So here we are with another topic, want to study mechanical engineering abroad, wherein we'll be giving you some clarification and we'll be telling you about what the subjects that are covered under this course. Also, we'll be talking about their entry requirements, career prospects, and a lot of other things. So before we begin, let me give you an insight that what we at Leverage Edu do. So we are India's most trusted university admission platform for studying abroad. Let's say if you're planning to study abroad and wish to start an international study journey, then feel free to reach out to us. We at Leverage Edu will help you to reach in your dream university. And if you're confused about how to apply for university, then yes, we'll be helping you with the application process, with the SOPs, with your visa process, scholarship process, and in choosing the right fit university. So yes, log on to www.leverageedu.com and avail all our services. So in today's session, we all will be discussing about what mechanical engineering is and what are its scope. So let's get started with the topic. So the very first question that comes up into all of your mind is that what is mechanical engineering? So technically, mechanical engineering is the application of the principles and problem-solving techniques of engineering from design to manufacturing to the marketplace or for any object. So let's say mechanical engineering analyze their work using the principles of motion, energy, forces, ensuring that designs functionally safely, efficiently, and reliably, and at all the competitively cost. So mechanical engineers make a difference. That's because mechanical engineering careers center on creating technologies to meet human needs. Virtually every product or service in modern life has probably been touched in some way by mechanical engineering to help humankind. This includes solving today's problems and creating future solutions in healthcare, energy, transportation, world hunger problems, space explorations, climate change, and many more things. Being ingrained in many challenges and innovations across many fields means the mechanical engineering education is a versatile field. To meet this broad demand, mechanical engineers may design a component, a machine, a system, or a process. This ranges from macro to micro, from the largest systems like cars, satellites, planes, smallest components like sensors, switches, anything that needs to be manufactured, indeed, anything with moving parts, needs the expertise of a mechanical engineer. So that's what makes us tell that mechanical engineering is a very diverse field and is a very important field as well. Moving forward, let us learn about what are the subjects under mechanical engineering that a mechanical engineer studies. So one of the oldest and broadest fields of mechanical engineering deals with the design, construction, and use of machines. The program endows students with the basic understanding and knowledge of how heavy tools and machinery work. A student pursuing a mechanical engineering program will acquire knowledge about designing automobiles, electric motors, aircraft, trains, other heavy vehicles. So mechanical engineering engineers design everything from new batteries, athletic equipments, even to medical devices, and from personal computers or air conditioners, automobile engineers to electric power plants as well. And when I say electric power plants, let me tell you, the electric cars and electric vehicles are the future of the world. So yes, mechanical engineering is definitely one of the field wherein the person should be looking after. These engineers also design machines that produce these innovations. The scope of mechanical engineering in India and abroad is huge, for every aspect of our lives are touched by mechanical engineering in one way or the other. Like I've just said, spanning multiple industries, the career opportunities for students pursuing the program is way huge. So let me also give you a look after some of the subjects that one will witness under this course. So there are many different subjects under this category, but just to name few in this session, I can tell you that risk and reliability engineering is one of them. Engineering stress and theory and simulation is one of the another. Structural integrity, fluid mechanics and loading, applied materials and corrosion, computational fluid dynamics and renewable energy. The last one could be component design, right? So there are a lot of other subjects a person will be studying under this head, but of course, just to name some few few specific subjects. These were subjects that one will be studying under this head. After moving forward, let us also discuss about the scope of mechanical engineering. Right. So smack in the middle of the fourth industrial revolution, technology is advancing at an unprecedented rate. Automation has impacted most industries. Hence, mechanical engineering has become one of the most favored branches of engineering in just recent times. Mechanical engineers in India and abroad are high in demand due to the rapid industrialization of the nation. Job prospects or skilled mechanical engineers are limitless in India and abroad. Students are actively recruited by private and public sectors in various industries. Not just one or two, but a lot of companies, a lot of organizations are ready to hire mechanical engineers because of the high demand. Gone are the days when mechanical engineers were restricted to manufacturing units. Now, with additional qualifications, they can hold senior positions in managerial and administrative fields as well. So, if you have seen my earlier video about MBA versus engineering management, I have also told you how engineers are leading to the managerial positions by particularly studying that subject. So, that is one of the another aspect which a mechanical engineering can look after in their masters. So yes, some of the job available to mechanical engineers include, but not limited to, project manager, senior engineers, service and maintenance engineer, instructor designers, professors, lecturers can be also a field to explore, mining engineers, patent attorney, robotics engineer, biomedical engineer. So there are a lot of other engineers also that you can become or that you can, you can pursue after the mechanical engineering field. So the scope of growth and career advancement of mechanical engineers in India and abroad are spectacular. Skilled mechanical engineers have many opportunities in aerospace, automobile, chemical manufacturing plants, oil exploration, railways, coach factories, research and development. Due to the massive influx of technology, the mechanical engineers' expertise is required in robotics, biomedical, nanotechnology, AI, energy conservation, and many more such things. This specialization promises exponential growth in the next few years. Hence, mechanical engineers will soon become one of the highest paid career options. Now, after getting a lot of this information, you must be very, you must be thinking that how to become a mechanical engineer. So let us put some light on that part as well, wherein let me explain you that how exactly a one person can become a mechanical engineer, right? Let us start from the very basic step. So whenever a person enters in his class 12, they are required to take science stream, which includes the subjects of physics, chemistry, mathematics, sometimes biology as well, which is very popularly known as PCMB. Afterwards, a bachelor's degree in BTech or BE, Bachelor's of Technology or Bachelor's of Engineering, is essential to pursue a career in mechanical engineering. Acquiring a postgraduate degree, ME or MTech or MSc nowadays as well, is also recommended. Many engineers also consider postgraduate studies in management for career advancement and prepare themselves for high-level managerial roles. This is the most conventional route. However, students have various options to study mechanical engineering, such as, let's say, starting from diploma. So for diploma, you will be requiring minimum score of about 55% in your 10th grade. 10th pass with ITI certificate, 10th pass with certificate in motorcycle services from Indira Gandhi National Open University is also one of the route to do your diploma. Then yes, you also should be qualifying your 12th grade in science stream, as I told you, with physics, chemistry, and mathematics as main subjects. Depends on the university what are the requirements is, but yes, 50% is something that you should be scoring in your class 12th to do your diploma. Moving forward to an undergraduate degree, which means to do your bachelor's in engineering or bachelor of technology, BE or BTech in mechanical engineering. The duration of that degree will be 4 years. You should be passing your class 12th with minimum 55 or 60 percentage to do this course. Else depends on the university what other requirements are. To do a postgraduate course in ME, Masters in Engineering or Masters of Technology, MTech, in mechanical engineering or related specialization, the duration of that degree will be nearly 2 years. And the graduates with the BE or BTech or equivalent with an aggregate score of 55% or 60%. Again, if the person is planning to do their masters from some top universities, they would be required to give entry exams as well, GRE or some other exams. So if the person wants to pursue PhD or doctoral degree in mechanical engineering, then mechanical engineers pursue a doctoral program to explore their inclination towards research and education. They are trained to utilize and advance their engineering skills and contribute to applied manufacturing and mechanical research projects. A PhD program can range from, let's say, near about 3 to 6 years. Aspiring candidates must have scored at least 75% in their BE or BTech, or 65% in their ME or MTech. Also, as I told you just now, that most reputed engineering colleges will be needing students to qualify for different entrance examinations. These exams are held at national level and state level for admissions to bachelor's and master's program. Similarly, in India and abroad as well, shortlisted candidates are also required to appear for personal interview and counseling session. This is not mandatory with all the universities. There are universities in UK, in USA, in Canada, which do not require any kind of personal interview or GD session, and you can avail your admission on the basis of your previous percentage. The admission decision is made based on the student performance in the entrance exam and following interactions. So let us discuss about the top universities, top countries to study mechanical engineering in. So the very first country that come up to my mind is USA, United States of America. The US has the most number of top mechanical engineering schools. 29 out of world's top 100 schools lies in USA. This reason is alone to attract international students because you can aim to apply at multiple universities, all of which are one of the best in the field. The internship jobs offered in the US will be a lot better compared to other countries, and you will have more research opportunities. So most of the notable universities in USA are University of Illinois, California Institute of Technology, Northwestern University, Cornell University, that is one of the very good university, and Texas A&M University is also available over there. If we come down to Canada, then out of the top 100 universities for mechanical engineering, Canada is home to 13, out of which 2 are among the top 50 universities. So to name some of the universities in Canada, which are considered to be top universities for mechanical engineering as a course, is University of Toronto, is McGill University, University of British Columbia, University of Waterloo. Apart from this, the UK also has nearly 28 top mechanical engineering universities, the highest number apart from the US. The reason why the UK is ranked lower than the other countries is because earlier, before pandemic, there was some visa rules and restrictions which were going on. But now, after the pandemic, the rules and regulations have been a little eased down. Now people are getting their visas very easily, and yes, the employment opportunities have also been have seen a lot good growth over there. So to name some universities in UK also, there are Cranfield University, University of Manchester, University of Nottingham, University of Sheffield, which is also considered to be in top 100 universities amongst the world, University of Bath, University of Bristol, University of Liverpool, and some other universities as well. So let us also discuss about, when we're talking about UK, we know that UK is known for their scholarship programs. So let us also discuss about the scholarship opportunities which are available in UK. So there are some university-specific scholarships which are being given in UK. To name some, the University of Manchester has a very good scholarship with the name of the University of Manchester India Scholarship that is being given to specific Indian students. And this scholarship is almost about £10,000. The another scholarship which is being given by University of Strathclyde is Dean's Indian Scholarships in UK, which is being given to Indian students and varies from £3,000 to £5,000. There are other universities as well. University of Glasgow, which offers international leadership scholarship to meritorious master's applicant of near about £10,000. Similarly, other universities also have some specific scholarship programs which is being given to Indian students, which varies up to their 50% tuition fees as well. So for more such information, you can always reach out to us. We'll be able to help you out with the desired scholarship according to one's profile. So concluding this session, let us also talk about, the job prospects in the field of mechanical engineering that is available for the for the students. So students have plenty of opportunities after completing their masters in mechanical engineering in UK. Some of the top recruiters are Jaguar Land Rover, Babcock Marine, BAE Systems, Dyson. The average salary of engineers in UK is around near about 106,000 GPP. Some of the highest paying states of the United Kingdom offering annual salary, to engineers areas representing the image below among the, salary package of about, let's say, 60 to 70,000 is a GBP is the very, very basic minimum package that a one person will secure after completing their masters from UK universities, right? And as I told you that some of the top recruiters of mechanical engineering graduates are Jaguar Land Rover, Dyson, Hayes, Matchtech, Aspen, and a lot of others. So the position that a person can grab onto after completing their masters, especially MSc in mechanical engineering or MTech, comes out to be automotive assembler, diesel engineer specialist, automotive project engineer, aerospace technician, mechanical design engineer. And there are a lot of other courses that are available which leads to you different positions as well. So yes, again, if I talk about the documents that are required to put in your application in abroad universities, are your CV, your BEAT CV, or resume, your class 10th mark sheet, class 12th mark sheet, your passport, your semester-wise mark sheets of UG and PG, both if you have done any, your letter of recommendations, statement of purpose, again, is a very essential document that you need in process to put your application to one of the abroad universities. And yes, you can have the full checklist from Leverage Edu. You can contact us. We'll be able to help you out with that part as well. So just to conclude the topic, let me tell you whether is mechanical engineering the right choice for you or not. So I know that I have given you a lot of good facts about mechanical engineering, about what the scope of mechanical engineering abroad, what are the subjects that you'll be studying, what will be the salary package that you will be earning after doing this course. But apart from all these things, one must keep in mind that being one of the most favored option, it doesn't automatically guarantee success. After the degree, your interest and passion will drive your performance. Your soft skills must complement the hard skills that you will acquire in mechanical engineering. While it is common to find a mechanical engineering, especially in India, it isn't easy to find a skilled one. Another aspect that you must keep in mind before making your choice is the variety of specializations available to you at the postgraduate level. I know a lot of good options are not available at the undergraduate level, but that is why abroad is famous to do your masters, is because you get a lot of good specializations, right? With the plethora of options available, how do you figure out mechanical engineering is the right choice for you or not? Like the many students considering mechanical engineering, you may also have some concerns about the specialization. I know it is a rigorous program, and students who take up mechanical engineering without much thought and proper planning end up feeling like the undergraduate years went in vain. So hence we recommend that you research your options thoroughly before making your decisions. You can consider taking internships, informational interviews with industry experts, and talking to alumni of the institute, which will also help you in choosing the right career path for yourself. It is important for you to analyze if this is the best match career options for you or not. Remember, the goal is not to go after the best career, but it is to pursue the career option that is best for you. So if you're still considering and wondering whether mechanical engineering is the right choice for you or not, or you need assistance in choosing the right program or college or university for you, then yes, feel free to log in into www.leverage.com, wherein you can get in touch with our experts and you can avail our services. Once again, thank you so much for joining this session. And yes, see you in another live session of Leverage Edu. Thank you so much.